Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage CloudBees Vice President of Marketing, André Pino.
Welcome to Jenkins World. How about those minions, huh? Upping their game with Kubernetes and Jenkins X. Are they awesome or what? You know, we've got a great conference planned for you. And thanks to you, our conference is bigger and better than ever. Look around the room. There's over 2,000 of you here. We've increased our audience by 30% this year. In fact, 40% of you are new to the event, so welcome. And for those of you vets, welcome back. It's great to have you back. This is truly a global event. We've got, get this, we've got over 39 countries represented in the audience here today. So those of you who are from outside the US, thanks very much for coming. We appreciate it. Our theme for this year is transform. Why? Because that's what we do in the DevOps industry. We transform. So we really want to take the opportunity to know that not only are we transforming our businesses, not only are we transforming our industries, but we're transforming the way we develop and deliver software. And in fact, you know, we're leading that charge, that DevOps revolution. So there's much more to come. In fact, this year at the conference, you're going to get a glimpse into the future of DevOps. So throughout the course of the year, the open source community, CloudBees, and our ecosystem, we've been innovating together. And together, we are the DevOps community. And together, we are transforming the way software is developed and delivered around the world. In fact, we're leading that DevOps revolution, and you should all be very proud of what you've accomplished. So take the time this week to learn as much as you can about the future of DevOps. We have a jam-packed conference for you. We've got training workshops. Many of you have attended those over the last couple of days. We've got lots of conference sessions. We've added lots of tracks this year, and we're also planning a whole lot of fun. So be sure to check the schedule. Make sure that you have the mobile app installed. It is your portal to everything that's happening at DevOps World, Jenkins World, and also is your way to schedule yourself for the various sessions that are of most interest to you. I wanted to highlight a few things for you to really take advantage of this week. Number one is we have some book signings this week. So Accelerate the Science Behind DevOps, which is the latest book from Gene Kim, Jez Humble, and Dr. Nicole Forsgren. That book will be here. Dr. Nicole Forsgren will be here tomorrow signing books. Building Cloud-Native Apps Painlessly, a prescriptive guide to Kubernetes and Jenkins X by James Strachan, Rob Davies, James Rawlings, and Brian Dawson. We'll also be doing a book signing for that book as well. And finally, Continuous Testing for DevOps Pros is a book by Perfecto with multiple authors, including Aran Kinsbrunner and Brad Johnson. So check the mobile app for the book signings and times and location. And those books will be available at the event store if you'd like to pick up a copy. We have over 125 sessions planned for you. We've got a cloud native track. We've got a DevSecOps track. We've added a lot of content to the program this year. And so we've got conference sessions, we've got panel discussions, we've got workshops, we've got lightning talks. There's so much content in the program this year. Make sure you pick and choose what's of most interest and importance to you. We also want to highlight the contribution that women are making to our industry. In fact, we believe they're the secret sauce to our success. So this year's, yeah, let's give them a round of applause. This year's Women in Tech Lunch is going to be bigger and better than ever, and you're all welcome, guys too. So one of the things that we've historically done at this conference is we've included Jenkins certifications with your registration, so you all can get certified this week. If you're interested, check in at the certification desk on the second floor of the hotel. That's where the testing is taking place. This year will be the second year of our DevOps Awards program, which will take place tomorrow morning. So there we will have Jenkins Community Awards and CloudBees Innovation Awards highlighted. There's a lot of great individual and great teams that we want to give special attention to. I want to take a moment to thank our showcase sponsor, Amazon Web Services. You know, Amazon's been a really great partner in helping us to put this event together this year. They will be delivering the keynote tomorrow morning, and they have several sessions and workshops also in the schedule, so be sure to look for that. I also want to take a moment to give special thanks to our diamond sponsors, including Google Cloud, KPMG, Microsoft Azure, Red Hat, Scalar, and VMware. I also want to highlight our platinum sponsors, Capital One, Goda Group, IT Methods, JFrog, Mac Stadium, Neatis, Pivotal, and Sauce Labs. All of these vendors will have sessions. Be sure to attend and check them out. Our gold and silver sponsors will be in the expo. Please stop by and see the innovation and technology and services that these companies have to offer. I also want to thank our media sponsors, DevOps, DZone, Pan, and the New Stack, as well as our training sponsors for helping to make our event successful. So DevOps World is going west, and our Westworld theme party is tonight. And we'll have the great Dick Bright Band here, as we always do. And be sure to wear your Western gear and enjoy some food, some drink, some music, and just have a great time. It's going to be a wonderful event. So in today's general session, you're going to hear keynotes by Kosuke Kawaguchi, Sasha Labere, Christina Noren. And then tomorrow, we have two general sessions, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. In the morning, you're going to hear from Justin Graham from AWS, and that's also when we'll be doing the DevOps Awards ceremony. In the afternoon, you'll hear from Dr. Nicole Forsgren on the latest information coming back from the Accelerate survey that they just completed. Also tomorrow afternoon, we'll have a closing reception, which will include beer. How many people like beer? All right. And we also have some phenomenal prizes, including an iPad Pro, a commit strip art, Sonos soundbar, Apple Watch, Nintendo Switch, Oculus Rift, AirPod earbuds. You get the idea. But you have to be here to win. So make sure you attend the closing session. So in summary, we've got a lot packed into the next 2 days. So it's going to be up to you to take full advantage of everything that we are offering at the event this year. Tons of content, tons of things to do, lots of fun. So make sure that you take full advantage of it. Now I want to talk about next year. In 2019, DevOps World, Jenkins World is graduating. We're moving to the Moscone Center. And if you know anything about this industry, once you go to Moscone, you've made it. So save the date. August 12th through the 15th will be the date for the event next year at Moscone. As you walk around the conference, you're going to see very large posters of successful DevOps teams. And the thing that each of them has in common is they look beyond the technology and they transformed their businesses. So as you gather information and knowledge this week and go back to your respective businesses and teams, make sure that you remember to look beyond the technology, look beyond the automation. Because we're not just transforming IT, we're changing the world. Thanks, and have a great conference.